Hello traders, you're welcome to this video. In this particular video, we are going to be looking at how to choose the right EMA settings for your trading strategy. Okay, so now basically setting up the EMA, the exponential moving average, for maximum accuracy and applying it to different time frames depends on your trading style. Yeah, because the settings is going to be dependent on whether you are a scalper or a day trader or a swing trader, okay? And it also depends on the specific markets that you are trading. For example, if you are trading Forex or stocks, etc. But now we're just going to be looking at the step-by-step guide on how to guide you, okay? How to guide you on how to you should adjust your EMA settings, right, for better entries and exits. So now, first of all, the kind of trader you are should determine the settings you are going to use. So we're going to start with scalping, okay? If you are a scalper, you might want to use faster EMAs to catch short-term trends, right? If you are a scalper, so we're going to go to moving average. If you are a scalper, use faster EMAs to catch short-term trends. So typically, you would want to use the 8 EMA. The 8 would go well, or the 10. The 8 EMA or the 10 EMA, along with a slower EMA like the 21 EMA for confirmation. So we're just going to use, we are going to be using the crossover strategy, okay? So you have to add 2 EMAs to your chart. So we're just going to use the 8 EMA and the 21 EMA. Okay, this is if you want to catch short-term trends. Okay, so when you have the 8 EMA cross above the 21 EMA is a bullish signal. When you have the 8 EMA cross below the 21 EMA is a bearish signal. Okay, and remember that setting of stop losses are very important. For a bullish trade, you can set your stop loss below the swing low. You can target your exits around the next resistance or the crossover in the bearish direction to exit your buy trade. For the sell, it's just the reverse. You can enter your sell after a bearish crossover, stop loss above the nearest swing high, take profit at the nearest support, or when you have a bullish signal, which is a bullish crossover. Okay. So now, if you are a day trader, now this is the settings for a scalper. If you are a day trader, you might want to use the combination of the 9 EMA and the 26 EMA. That combination works well. Okay. So we're just gonna, guys, if you are a day trader, you just want to change this 8 to 9. Okay, and then this 21, which is for scalpers, you might want to change it to 26. That is if you are a day trader, okay? Because the faster EMA shows the short-term trend. The faster EMA shows the short-term trend, while the slower one helps filter out noise. And we know the faster EMA is the one that has the smaller period. The slower EMA is the one that has the larger period, okay? So the slower one helps to filter out noise. You can see that the slower one, as the name, as you know, we call it slower one because actually reacts to price changes slower compared to the faster one. You can see. So that one can help you to filter out the noise. So when you have a crossover, you get your signal. Now, if you are a swing trader, you might want a wider view of the market. In fact, it is needed. As a swing trader, you need a wider view of the market. So you might want to focus on the 50 EMA and 200 EMA. So we're just going to be changing these to 50 and we're going to be changing these to 200. Okay, as for a swing trader, right? Now, because this allows you to track long-term trends and smoother price action as a swing trader. The strategy remains the same. When you have a bearish crossover, is a bearish signal. When you have a bullish crossover, is a bullish signal. Okay, you should know how to set your stop loss and take profit also accordingly. Now, setting up your EMA on different platforms, might have their different methods, but this particular platform that we are using is the MetaTrader 4. Okay, so you have to just come to insert, come to indicators, come to moving average, and then here you set your period. Here you select exponential. Here you can just leave it apply to close. Here you select the style or there is the color of the EMA you want. Here you select the thickness of the line. Okay, so basically that is it. That's for the MetaTrader platform. Okay, this is the MetaTrader 4 platform. All right. Now, how do you apply the EMA to different time frames? In short time frames, you might want to, that is, if you are a scalper, as for a scalper, you might be focusing on maybe 1 to 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, so the 1 to 5 minutes is actually useful for scalping. Yeah, the EMA will react. You see, 1 minute, 1 to 5 minutes, the EMA will react quickly to price changes, helping you identify short-term momentum. Okay, then as for the 15 minutes, it is ideal for day trading because it balances between speed and accuracy, helping you identify more reliable trends. Okay, although it has some noise in it, but it's better than the 1 minute to 5 minutes. That's the reason why this one is okay for day trading. That is the 15 minutes. Then for longer time frame like the 4 hours and the daily, is perfect for swing traders. If you're a swing trader, you might want to focus on 4 hour and the daily time frame because the EMA smoothens out the noise and it provides insight into the overall market trend. As you can see, there is less noise on the higher time frames. Okay, so basically that is just it. That is just it. The signals remain the same. For a bullish trade, you need to look for a bullish crossover before you enter a buy. For a bearish trade, you need to really look for a bearish crossover before you enter a sell. Okay, so take profit can be when you get the reverse signal, or you can use support and resistance levels. Very important. Use trend lines as well, just for confirmation of your entries and your exits. Okay, you can also use other indicators just for additional confirmation. Okay, they're very important. For better accuracy, you can combine the EMA with RSI or MACD, just to add to confirmation. And these are momentum indicators can give you insights towards overbought and oversold conditions. So they are also very helpful. Okay. So now this setup that we have discussed can significantly improve your ability to follow trends and time your entries and exits more effectively. Okay, but it's all based on your trading style. Okay, so we've discussed settings for scalper, we've discussed settings for a day trader, we've discussed settings for a swing trader. So whichever category that you fall under, we have discussed settings that can suit your trading style. Now I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get updated on more trading videos. Cheers and happy trading.